Okay, so guys, later I will assign you like probably one person will handle one and the other could handle two. So because in here we have 10 years and we have 6 members of ours of our group. So yeah, later we can discuss. So in here I will explain how to calculate uh, our homework. So first, in here I already make Excel worksheet for each year. So in here 2019, and if you want to calculate for 2000, for example 18, you just move our copy, move to N, create a copy, and 2018, just like this, and change the data. So in here all of the data I already give it like the equation, so you don't need to change anything, like it will automatically generate. So for example, this one. So for each year, there will be around 7 or 8 indicators. Later we'll check again, and then you can check in this Excel for this one. This is the one that we will do. So for the first one, it's about low income household population ratio. So actually, I already download all the data in here. Later I will give it to you. So for example 2018, you choose folder 2018, and if we not sure which one, you can open this one and like match the hantu. So this one is number 2, income family, right? And if you still not sure, you can open this website, and then uh, our group has belong to this one second one. So this one is first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So ours is this one. And don't forget check the year 2018. See the result. Well, actually, I already download all the data, so you don't need to download it again. Just if you want to make sure. This one, low income population ratio. So you have to choose the Excel file in here with number 2. This one. So open up this one, and then just copy this 2 row of data, and then just put it here, this, and it will automatically generate this one. And please do not touch this one. So this is I already make it, so you don't need to change anything. And then in here we have the rank, but it's still have equations, so you just need to copy the value, this one, and then please don't forget to match also the city in here. So to make sure if it's the same, so just do it this, and I think match the from B column with F column, and I think it's the same. Yep, it's the same. So we can proceed. So in here, the yellow part is like the number, exact comparison, because the same city will be same district will be compared with the same district, so you don't need to change anything in the yellow line. And then you need to copy, because in here the first one is absolute like 1, so you just need to copy from the second row. This one, copy, and then copy to this one, but transpose this one. Oops, there's color in here, like this. Okay, so uh, so what you need to do is you need to fill in this number, all of this number, this part, ah this part only, the part that don't have the equation. So you don't need to touch this one, or later I will give this part a color. So I will give this color probably, so you don't need to change the green one. Then later I will write on the Excel that you don't need to change this one. Okay. Okay. So how to do it? Actually, this one is just like how to say opinion. So there's no exact formula, but you have to check whether your uh, opinion is still fulfill the consistency. So you have to make sure that these two yellowish box must be lower than 0, 1, and you need to change this one. So for example, this one is 1 to 7, it's small to big. This one also small to big, and then 7 to 4 is like 7 big to small. So this one also it's like you make estimation, something like that. I will say probably 0.5. For 3 I would say the same. For 6 probably 1, 2, maybe 1/3, and then or we can make 3, 1/3, and then 2, 1/6. Yeah, and then this one 5 probably 0.5. It's the same 0.5, 1/6. 3, it's 1/3. Yes, yeah, you just need to copy. I think it's quite simple, but the hardest part is when you finish all of this, you have to make sure that this number still below under 0.1. Check this one, and you don't need to worry about the equation because I think I already set the correct one, so it will automatically generate. Yep, this one, and this one is also automatically generated when you change the number. And our final result is this one, new part. So that's for the low income household population. And then the next one, in here I did for earthquake insurance coverage rate. I think it's number 5. Wait, let me check. Number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Earthquake insurance coverage rate. Something about earthquake. This one. Same step. You have to change the text to column by clicking this one, and make sure you choose the correct year. Right. Text to column. Next. Finish. If in here the rough score is star or like any other kind of symbol, and you have the z-score in here, so you just need to copy the z-score in here, copy, and then put it in here like this, and also put it in here, or you can do this one. Yep, and the rank will automatically change. Should be the change. I think 2000. This one 18. Oh yeah, don't forget to change this one 2018. 2018. Well, I guess the number between 2019 and 80 almost the same. So like there is no big distinction probably. Yep. No big distinction. I think if If the rank is still the same, you can use this one. Just don't change, use this one. Yep, and as long as the consistency below 0.1, yeah, it's acceptable. But please don't change this one because it's already have the equation. We'll give the different color then to make sure no one will change this equation. Okay, and then okay, then I will continue it. And this one is the earthquake insurance coverage rate, and then you can proceed to the number 6, I guess. This one, social welfare expenditure ratio. So it's number 6, right? Just remember this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you open up this number 6 data. Oh yeah, first probably you could do copy this one first. Copy one, just one of the table. Copy and then put it here. And then just change to social welfare expenditure ratio. And probably you can keep the number also, so later if we want to check which data it came from, it would be easier for us if we see the number like this. Okay, make sure. Okay. Yep, equation is still there. It's number 6. Do it the same. Data, text to column, eliminated, comma, finish. And this one is the ratio, so it's not the z-score. You have to calculate for the z-score. So put it here and delete this one because you're using that. You have to calculate in here, just like this one. Yeah. Copy this one. Okay, average of this one. This one. The formula is data minus this one divided by this one. Well, I guess this one would be the same. Yep, so if you encounter this kind of data, like it's constant data, so you can just give like mark, and later I will recheck that again, like this probably. And then yep, for the rank, yeah, you have to. Okay, I think that's all, and later we can determine which year you want to do it. So currently I'm doing 2019, and probably I can do 2019 in 18, and you guys the rest could do like 17 until 10, and probably 3 I need three more person to do for 2 years, so there will be one person for only 1 year. Okay, I think that's all. And if you have any questions, probably you can ask in the group. Thank you.